Hey everybody. Wait for my dog to come in. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Monkey Shine Lab. We've got a very special program for you here today. Let me start this again. Take 2. Take 3. Take all you like. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Monkey Shine Lab. We've got a great show for you today. I'm going to introduce you to 2 of our brand new guest lab technicians who will be around here every once in a while to help us out with our work with toys. I guess the only thing I'd like to say is that it took several hours to put together, and I cannot be more proud of our grandsons for putting up with Annie and myself directing and saying, hold it, wait, do this, do that. They were incredibly patient with us. And so I would like to thank them very much for being very professional during the shoot. It was, thank you very much, boys. We will have other guest technicians, of course, from my family coming by from time to time to help us out with these things. And specifically what we did here today was a part of my Mechs for minifigures series. So I had always planned to hand these kits over to the kids and see what the actual age group gets from, building the kit, from whatever they're gonna do with the kit. And we did give the kids a substantial lunch break, but for all of your parents out there who might be looking at these kind of things and going, oh, I'm gonna go build with one of these with my kids, it does take a little while. Please be aware of that. Be ready to put your time in, because what we did find with these kits is that if you are building at the bare minimum age that they specify on the box, it takes a very long time to build them. It takes a lot of patience, and parents, it takes your inclusion in these activities. We here at Monkey Shine Lab, we do dedicate family time. So that's what it's gonna take if you wanna do these. I did a lot of editing. I did a lot of speed up photography. You'll see. And again, our boys were absolutely golden. We didn't have any meltdowns. We didn't have any, they didn't get angry at it when they had to back up steps. And as an adult doing that, I was livid with myself, with everything that I couldn't get it done. I'm a 50-year-old man, for God's sake. This is a Lego kit. Enjoy the fruits of our labor, and thank you very much. I will be back at the end of this episode with a tag. Thanks.
My name is Silas.
My name is River.
Why are you in our house?
Because I'm your grandson.
That's right, you are. Welcome, boys, to the Monkey Shine Lab. This is the first time we have ever had guest builders on the show. So this is...
Do you watch the Monkey Shine Lab videos?
Yes.
Yes? River, what's your favorite video so far?
When Papa Fuzz was riding that car.
Oh,
Riding the car in the store?
yeah.
We remember that. How about you, Silas?
My favorite part about the video is when you made the Thor.
Made Thor. We
Okay.
have Thor.
So you guys are going to help us out. This is something that I had definitely had planned, okay? So I bought these a long time ago, and they've been sitting around waiting for you boys. So the waiting should be over. How many kits have we built together? How many? We did the spaceman one.
Yeah,
You did
and
that
also-
satellite one, right?
I did the water guy in the machine and the shark.
And you guys are pretty like savvy, meaning you guys know how to build Legos, right?
It's really fun.
Set the box on the table. You can push your thumb right through that spot. Maybe. Here. What we're gonna do though too is when you get these out, Granny's gonna cut the packages open with her magic scissors.
Magic scissors.
Okay, but these are how many pieces, boys?
152.
And
148.
you got it. So, if you have trouble, just kind of put your fingers back here, and if you push, oh, they. All right. Okay.
We
You
don't
just
need
pull the bottom end open.
We
Can
don't
you get
need
it, Riv?
scissors.
Do you need help?
Yep, I do.
Packet 1.
Yep.
Get those laid out for
And-
instructions 1. All right, River. Very first thing, step 1. Here's the first thing you do. Find that, and that, and make the man.
Got this. Gray pieces could go. And I found this. I found these pants. I wonder what these blue
Okay,
pants
so
are.
now
There may be.
you gotta find this and this,
I got it.
and then this. You know what I think? I think those
Ripper
are in
dropped
here.
a piece
Look.
already. Let's take a look. If you set it down,
I
exactly
think
how
you
it
did
is, and
exactly
you
correct.
did. Bang.
Now you
That's
look
it.
at this and this,
Which you actually already had one built.
and say, "Going good,
Right on.
awesome job."
You guys are doing
So now
great.
you have
So
one little
another
piece like
piece.
this.
Okay, so we need one.
River, you are doing an amazing
Put it
job.
right here.
And so are you, Silas. You guys, like, now that you've hit your stride, it's just starting to go together.
They really are.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 of these.
And I'll say this. This is what I like about Lego, that with these other 2 kits that I did on top of the Lego kit, I just still think that, you know, as usual, Lego's got their game together.
Look at your picture and just think you built the middle. And so now what we're going to be building are these legs and these arms as we go to the next bags.
So,
And you each have a couple extra pieces always. And
They
we just
always give
keep
you a
those.
little extra
Just keep
stuff
them
so
there,
that you
'cause
don't
might
lose.
need them in the next section.
Alright, but here's your Spider-Man pieces.
yep.
Okay, wait, no, wait. Hold on, let's dump that out.
These 3
And
pieces.
okay.
Having to go back on steps is something that happens a lot with building models. And I'm in my 50s, boys, and it still happens to me.
That's on my 3rd one.
You're on your 3rd one of 4? Cool.
I got it.
Help.
Wonderful work, River. Are you having a good time?
Yep, found it.
Silas, how about you?
I'm having a great time.
A great time.
Very good.
I'm happy when I'm here.
That makes me feel really good, River.
I want to cry. That makes me feel so good.
Oh.
Those are beautiful words,
You guys
River.
are awesome.
I'm happy when you're here too.
Glad.
Okay, hold on.
They just stopped for a second and realized they were on the exact same step at the exact same time.
We were?
They're brothers, everybody. They're
It's not
brothers.
different, but look, you're both building your feet.
You guys are both on the feet.
Oh.
Kick it.
So wish each other luck.
So
Kick-
I need a
kick
red
those feet.
piece.
One of these. Two.
Yep, got one.
I gotta tell you, it's helpful being the helper.
Yeah,
To be at the same step.
it is.
I'm like,
It
I
is.
know what you need. I know what you need. So, as a parent, if you had multiple kids, you might be able to pace a little. Okay, so you're gonna build this. This looks a little
And a
tricky.
little
This
brown
and this together this way, and then a blue one with that face top.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you need now? You need one of
Yep,
those
and I
to
got it.
close it in.
Okay.
So hold it like this, because that's how that works.
That makes me feel so good when everybody else messes up with these kits.
Take a breather.
Listen, the dog's taking a
Let
breather.
me see it.
Come on, where is it? There. Got it. Because, like, my first one, I saw it, it wasn't touching the thing.
So
Mhm.
here's
I
what
got
I'm
it.
seeing going on
I need
here.
a brown piece.
You have this on the wrong end. So
did
we've
the
got the blue
hands.
and the yellow.
Right.
So now we want to
Hey,
do
Granny,
this.
look, the
So
hands.
this one with this.
Piece down, I got.
I'm going to show the camera that.
Oh yeah.
Come on, now. Look at his legs.
He does have legs. So, after the video, of course, was, we finished those kits that afternoon. I think if I recall the process overall, I think we put about 2.5 hours at least into doing all of that. We came up with an hour of filming and it got trimmed down to what you see. So what I'm going to do is finish out this episode with pictures of our new lab technicians, Silas and River, with their creations. Thank you very much for coming out to the Monkey Shine Lab once again. And remember to renew, reuse, and recycle. Also, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on the Monkey Shine Lab. There may be a part 5, who knows? I've been finding a lot of Mechs stuff. And we've got a ton of grandkids, so we've got to get them all in front of the camera at some point. A lot of guest technicians coming up. Hi, boys. Thanks very much for coming out to the Monkey Shine Lab, and we'll see you again.